Hello guys, this is Abhishek and welcome to Book Ideas, where we share with you interesting ideas from interesting books. ABCDE formula. What is it? It's a formula for your productivity. Now this idea we are taking from the book Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. Now this is an amazing book for productivity. It has some very practical tips and techniques. So if you want to buy this book, then click the link in the description box. With that said, let's begin. What is this ABCDE formula and how do you use it? So ABCDE formula is a very simple, super practical technique to get your stuff done, to organize or prioritize your tasks in a right way. So how does this work? How do you do this? First one is you write down all the tasks that you need to do for the day. Just write it down. Write whatever it is, make a list of it. Next, here's where the formula begins. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. Okay, next to each task, you'll be putting one of these alphabets A, B, C, D, E, depending on certain criteria. I'll come to this now. Okay, so first one is A. A is a task that are your must-do tasks for the day. They are the tasks that has highest amount of consequence, but they are also the tasks which are the most important for that day. So whichever is the most important, the most necessary, put A next to it. Something that's a must, you have to do kind of a thing. So put A next to it. If you have more than one task, you can put A1, A2, A3 and all that. So for example, a task for that day. For me, I make videos every day. That's my goal. Make videos every day for the next 3 years. So every single day, my A task is making a video. Something like that for you. Okay, whatever it is for you. The next is B. B tasks are those that are should task. A was must, you had to do it. B are you should do it. Okay, but it doesn't have as big of a consequence as A tasks have. So B tasks is something. For example, could be that you say that you have to go work out today. Maybe working out is not much important for you. Maybe your office work is more important. It's of a higher priority for you. So at that moment of time, be something that you have to do. It's for your health and all that. But you can skip it. You can sacrifice it for an A task. That's okay. It's understandable. But A task is something that you cannot sacrifice, you cannot skip for anything. So those are B tasks, but still it is important. Next comes the C task. C tasks are those tasks which does not have as much value as B tasks. Something that you can skip, right? If you have some work stuff that you have to do, you can skip going out and meeting friends. Maybe it's a birthday party that you have to go to. Maybe not such a close friend, but you can skip it. And one more thing about C task is that it doesn't have any effect on your work stuff. It doesn't have anything. Maybe working out can improve your life, it can improve your work. But C task is those tasks which does not have any impact on your work. So next comes the D tasks. D tasks are those tasks which you D tasks are those tasks which you can delegate. You can get somebody else to do those tasks. For example, a business owner, he does not really take care of the marketing. He takes care of running the business. He gives marketing to one person, he gives managing to another person, or he or she gives some tasks to certain people. So in your life, you don't have to be a business owner. You can be anyone and you can delegate. For example, if you're going for a workout, you can delegate planning your workout to a personal trainer. They'll take care of your diet, how you need or what you need to eat, how do you need to eat it, what type of workouts you do, and they'll plan everything so that you have more mental space free to get A, B and C tasks done. The next task is the E task. E task is something that you can eliminate altogether. So a lot of times we pick up certain habits which we kind of keep. Maybe on this day we're going to relax, this day we're going to do that, this day we're going to eat this way, or something like that. It could be anything, maybe sleeping late, sleeping early, whatever it is. E tasks are those tasks which you can kind of eliminate. One more thing for e-task is waking up with your phone. This is something that I'm guilty of doing. I have phone right next to me. I check my phone as soon as I wake up. So those tasks is something which you can kind of eliminate, which will improve your life, but it's not a task that you have to do. It doesn't improve your life much in any way. So those tasks is something that you can completely eliminate. With that said, this A, B, C, D, E, once you rank all your tasks in terms of A, B, C, D, E, once you write down A, B, C, D, E, next to those tasks, something amazing happens. As soon as you do that, all of a sudden in your mind you understand priority. You kind of understand what value each task has, which means you will not fall into the trap of doing unimportant tasks and wasting your time. Investing your time in unimportant tasks means that you have lesser time to do your most important tasks. So that is something that will not happen. And with that said, what do you do after putting out A, B, C, D, and all that? So you start with A. Your goal, your primary goal every single day is to get the A task done. Get A tasks done. As soon as you do that, next go to B, next go to C, and next go to D. D takes care of its delegation, and next go to E if you have time. With that said, guys, this is the A, B, C, D, E formula. Once again, if you felt like you learned something new, if you felt like you learned something of value, if you can see yourself apply this technique, then leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And also, if you have any book that you would like us to review, or if you would like us to pick out ideas from, then comment below which book would you want us to pick ideas from. With that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. This is Abhishek signing off. Goodbye.